You guys ready?
I've got the looks, the drive, so good while I've got the move.
The Heartbreak Kid!
Making his way to the ring from San Antonio, Texas, weighing in at 227 pounds, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
I make them hot, I make them shiver.
The showstopper! The main event! The Heartbreak Kid!
After missing nearly 4 years with a severe back injury, some doubted we would ever see Michaels in WWE again.
Yeah, here's the thing, Corey. After returning, some say Shawn Michaels is better now than he's ever been.
Certainly a hard point to argue. One of the greatest of all time, Mr. WrestleMania.
The Big Red Machine.
And his opponent, first, from parts unknown, weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane.
Uh-oh, here comes 7 feet of pure destruction through hellfire and brimstone, as our good friend JR would say.
From Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, Hogan.
It's time for our first match of the night, guys, and it looks like we have quite the contest coming up.
And good luck to those who have to follow this one. You're gonna need it.
And we're underway, guys, with this highly anticipated triple threat match.
A lot of times, the smart move in a match like this is to sit back in the weeds. Let the other two superstars tear each other apart. Let's see if we get any of that here tonight.
Belly to belly suplex. Oh, my. Jaw-shattering boot. Oh, what a clothesline. Forcefully delivered.
Oh, that might have just broken something.
Arenas around the world became filled with fire and despair when Kane appeared at In Your House, Bad Blood 1997. The entity tore the door off the Hell in a Cell and attacked his brother, The Undertaker.
Oh, what a slam. Kane tore through the Attitude Era and even tombstone baseball legend Pete Rose at WrestleMania 14, but that was only the beginning for this monster who battled Mankind, Stone Cold Steve Austin, The Rock, DX, and a host of others.
Kane's held so many... History has shown that the fire to annihilate is always burning inside Kane. What we don't know is when the demon will appear.
Knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Powerbomb. I've personally been attacked by Kane, so Kane looking to end this quickly. This one's not over yet.
Too early in the match to end it. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Tell me what Shawn Michaels can do here to improve his chances. He's starting to feel the pressure of this triple threat match, guys.
He looks absolutely drained right now, guys. This Falls Count Anywhere match has really done a number on him.
Real quick, in case we have any newbies watching, a Falls Count Anywhere match means that this contest can literally end anywhere. Simple, right? Even Saxton can understand those rules.
Earth-shattering spine buster.
When this guy's on, look out. Scoop slam!
He's in the driver's seat now.
Can Shawn Michaels...
In describing this match, Corey, you said it can end anywhere, which means we could see this match conclude in the ring, the stands, the locker room. Heck, it could even end outside the streets.
And on top of that, it's worth noting that anything is legal in this match, guys. The only rule is, there are no rules.
Here he goes.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
What's going to happen now?
That might be the... He's got some fight left in him.
He's a spinning ball of energy.
Goes down hard. Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
Things are looking dire for Shawn Michaels. There's a very real chance he might not be able to recover from this here in this triple threat match.
I would still be careful because sweet chin music can strike at any moment.
And Kane manages to reverse out of that one. Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Legend Kane with a vice-like grip on his opponent's skull.
This could be the turning point, Cole.
That could procure the win for Kane. Oh no.
And a reverse DDT.
Oh, that's gonna leave a mark.
Shawn Michaels has fought his way all the way back into this.
Starting to capitalize here is Shawn Michaels.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
2. And he got a near fall out of it.
I don't know where he's finding the strength to stay in this one.
This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart. Not today.
Here it comes. Looking for
Choke slam straight to hell. Now it's time to capitalize.
That could procure the win for Kane.
You're not going to win any matches that easily.
Not yet. Too early.
Reverses that one. He's got the shoulders down. And there's a kick out at 1.
Gonna take more than that.
Incredible impact. Backdrop suplex.
boy, he is rolling.
Oh, looking for the pump handle. Fall away slam.
Wow, what distance.
He's a spinning ball of energy.
He's got him covered. It's going to take more than that to keep his shoulders down. Wow.
HB the sharpshooter cinched in.
Wow, Kane is getting absolutely pummeled.
It's cinched in. He got him to tap out. We always expect the unexpected in Falls Count Anywhere matches, and that's what we got here, guys.
These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights showed very well. Overall, this match was average at best, but not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already.
Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
And that's a win to start off the night.
And you just know the rest of the card is watching in the back, wondering how in the world they're going to follow that.
Plenty more action still to come here tonight, folks.